Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth keeps disconnecting or Bluetooth automatically disconnect problem of Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Tap on connection. Open Bluetooth. Now disconnect your connected Bluetooth device. Now move back and search for reset. Tap on reset. Tap reset. Reset network settings. Tap on reset settings. Unlock your phone and tap on reset. Once the network setting resetted, move back from here and restart your phone. After the restart, connect your Bluetooth device with your phone. I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then make sure that you are not too far away from your Bluetooth device range. That's it. Thanks for watching.